How are you, my friends? Happy Easter time! What is my task for today? Nikos, can you make spinach pie for the Easter meal? But can you do it easy, very easy, and also gluten-free? Easy and gluten-free. Follow me to the kitchen and you will see. Let's make this incredible spinach pie, vegan and gluten-free. This recipe is very traditional in Greece because this recipe doesn't have layers. Let's start together the recipe and see how we can make the easiest spinach pie. The first step is to chop the spring onions, the leeks, and we saute it in a pan. Fresh spinach, dill and mint. My spinach is ready. We turn off the heat and now we will make this nice and easy dough. It's a dough that we will put in a pan and then the mix of the spinach and again this, and you will see you don't have to make layers. It's very easy. Here in Greece we call it a naked spinach pie. In a mixing bowl I have my flour from corn and from oats. We add the baking powder, the vegetable oil and water as much as the mix needs. As you see, the mix is creamy, must be creamy. We take a pan, we put a little bit vegetable oil and we make the spinach pie. Our spinach pie is ready. Let's take it in the oven. The spinach pie is ready. Let's go to the oven to take it out. Let's try this amazing spinach pie. If you want, if you are not a vegan, you can add feta cheese. You will not change anything to the recipe, and you can add the cheese that you like. This is a perfect choice to make a nice pita for the Easter time. See you soon.